What's up video friends, welcome back to another video. So guys, this is again a very quick and straightforward video. I will be comparing the Blue SnowBall Ice microphone and a Tonor microphone. Plus there will be guide in the end of the video on how to improve your audio quality while recording voiceovers. What's up video friends, now I am directly speaking to the Tonor mic. This is without any editing. What's up video friends, now I am again speaking to the Tonor mic. This is with noise removal and some editing. What's up video friends, I am directly speaking to the Blue SnowBall Ice. This is without any editing. What's up video friends, now I am again speaking to the Blue SnowBall Ice. This is with noise removal and some editing. As you saw the difference in the sound coming from both the microphones. Now this is the tutorial on how to make your mic sound like studio quality microphone. So guys, what you need to do is to go on this website and download both these softwares. Just download and install these both softwares. After installation has been done, open up this voice meter app and then go on menu, click on load settings. I have left a link in description for these settings so you can download from there. Once you have loaded these settings, you need to select hardware input to your microphone. And hardware out as cable input. Once you have done these settings, you will be able to see the sound bars are moving. Now guys, go to your any voice recording software. I am using Audacity, and select your voice meter as primary microphone recording. This is it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.